Hey, in this video, I am going to show you how we stay connected to the internet while we adventure everywhere in our tag all across the United States. There are a few different things that we do to stay connected. I'm going to walk you through and explain each one so you could potentially use them to stay connected on your adventures. The first thing that we do is use the hotspots on our phones. Plus, we do a lot of work off of our phones as well when we create content or need to research some of the places that we're going to be staying next. We have T-Mobile unlimited data plans. Now, T-Mobile works fairly well in most places. However, there are definitely some places you're not going to get any reception. So we can use this in most places. And then again, we'll hotspot off of that for our iPad and our laptop. But that's not going to work every time, everywhere. So this is just one of the ways that we stay connected. When the T-Mobile hotspot is not doing it for us, we have this bad boy. This is one of my favorite things that we own. This is a PepWave dual transit router. So what this essentially is a device that you can plug a SIM card into. So we have another SIM card that we purchased from AT&T, and that is their 100 gigabyte data plan. On that SIM card, plug it in up here, and then kind of like a mobile hotspot, we can attach our phones, laptops, iPad to the Wi-Fi signal that is emitted, and then use the data off of that SIM plan. So this is a specific decision we made to get AT&T because it offers different reception compared to T-Mobile in different locations, and let me tell you, it has been awesome. Pretty much wherever we go, even if we're in a remote state park somewhere, we get solid enough connection where we can work from the campground. We've even uploaded videos off of this, and I do a lot of social media work, and I'm able to create graphics online and publish them across different social platforms. Now, we boondock a lot, so that means we don't always have shore power. So in that instance, we're able to actually plug this in and set it up inside of our camper and power it off of the battery. So if we're in the middle of nowhere, maybe we're camping on a beach, I'll still have to get some work done, so I can plug this in, use the battery to power it, and still get Wi-Fi wherever we go. I freaking love it. Sometimes I will have to work while we drive to our next destination. That could be a 3, 4, 5 hour drive. I'll still need to be connected. The cool part about this PepWave is that I can actually plug it into the car, and the car battery will allow it to have power so we can be connected to the SIM card plan that we have plugged in from AT&T. All you have to do, plug it in, and then get one of these chunky adapters that allows you to plug in a typical plug, and then once the car is on, the battery will power it. We also have a professional setup that we use. So I actually built this myself, made out of Velcro, a little janky, but you can slide in the PepWave to this little Velcro nest, and then slide it in, and while you're driving, it will just relax up here, strap it in like a child, and then look at that. It just chills up there, gives you internet access while you're chilling right here, working on your laptop, getting stuff done. I love our setup, and this is really a great way to stay connected, whether you're chilling at a campsite, needing to work while your significant other or your partner is driving. It is a fantastic dual combo of the hotspot with your phones and then also the PepWave router. I cannot recommend this bad boy enough. And then the last thing is, let's say we know we're going to be doing a lot of hardcore work. We'll just take a few hours, go to a Starbucks, McDonald's, somewhere local that has good internet access. We'll knock out the heavy duty stuff, and then we can go adventure the rest of the day. I hope that this video helps you guys stay connected. This is just our setup. I'm sure there are a ton of other ways that maybe some of you have used as well. So if you have an awesome way or a tool or something that you use to stay connected as well, please hit us up in the comments because I'm always trying to upgrade the setup. I'll see you in the next video.